నా పేరు అచ్యుతరావు బొప్పన. నేను అనివిత గ్రూప్ ఎండీని. నేను యూఎస్ వెళ్ళాను మా అమ్మాయి బర్త్డే కోసం అని చెప్పని. తిరిగి వస్తూ ఉండగా సాటర్డే రోజున అక్కడ స్టక్ అయిపోయాము. హైదరాబాద్ ఫ్లైట్ మధ్యాహ్నం 2:45కి ఎక్కాలి. మేము 12కి ల్యాండ్ అయ్యాము. ఆ 2:45కి ఎక్కుదామని అక్కడ బోర్డింగ్ హాల్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసరికి గేట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసరికి ఫ్లైట్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయినాయని చెప్పారు. దాంతో కొంచెం డిసప్పాయింట్ అయ్యాము. తర్వాత తెలిసింది ఇట్లా వాటర్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పని వాళ్ళు అక్కడ నుంచి మమ్మల్ని హోటల్కి మూవ్ చేశారు. అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ అన్ని బాగా చేశారండి. ఐ మీన్ ఒక దగ్గర సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇప్పుడైతే కొంచెం టెన్స్గానే ఉంది. మేము చాలా 3 రోజులు భయపడ్డాను. నేను కూడా అంటే ఆ ఊర్లో దుబాయ్లో నేను చాలా సంవత్సరాలు ఉన్నాను. అక్కడ మా పిల్లలు అక్కడే పుట్టారు. అట్లాంటిది ఆ ఊరు నాకు కొత్తగా అనిపించింది ఫస్ట్ టైం అక్కడ. అంటే ఒక మంచి సూట్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ సూట్లో ఉంటే కిటికీలు తీయకూడదు, కర్టెన్స్ కూడా తీయకూడదు. ఒక కోవిడ్ టైంలో ఒక్కడమే ఉన్నట్టు అట్లా భయం వేసింది. బట్ బయట నుంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కాల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, బాంబులు పడుతున్నాయని, ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారని న్యూస్ వస్తుంది. బట్ యాజ్ ఎ కంట్రీ దట్ కంట్రీ హాజ్ డన్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. ఐ మీన్ మాకు మమ్మల్ని చూడటం కానీ, ఎయిర్లైన్స్ మమ్మల్ని టేక్ కేర్ చేయడం కానీ, గవర్నమెంట్ టేక్ కేర్ చేయడం కానీ బాగున్నాయి. బట్ భయం అయితే ఉంది. అంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో, మేము అప్పుడు అనుకుంటాం దుబాయ్ న్యూట్రల్ కంట్రీ, న్యూట్రల్ ప్లేస్ అని చెప్పని. బట్ ఫస్ట్ టైం అలా అనిపించలేదు మాకు. అందరికీ అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ చాలా కొత్త, మాకు అలవాటైన వాళ్ళం కాబట్టి పర్లేదు. బట్ చాలా మంది భయపడ్డారు. మాకు భయం వేసింది. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ మీద పడిందని, రెసిడెన్షియల్ ఏరియాలో పడుతున్నాయని చెప్పి న్యూస్లు వస్తున్నాయి. అదే న్యూస్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతా ఉంది.
Coming from Dubai?
No, I'm coming from Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, sir. 1 minute.
I don't know any local language.
Only I speaking in English. Sir, where you are from? Sir?
I'm from Indore.
What
And
is the situation you are faced in?
so UAE government is taking care of very well served accommodation, food, everything. But now I think our flight landed and again till 5th March there is no flight. So the situation is not good. I mean, we can see the interception happening on the sky. And it happened on 28th, again on 30th, on 1st March, and yesterday night also. But we are lucky that we are here and back home.
How many people are came here? How many people have traveled with you? Single or you came with your
No, I was going to Barcelona for MWC event. It was for Mobile World Congress. So I had a whole team with me. But I mean, they are still stuck. 10 people are in Doha, 8 people are in Dubai. And we were there, a couple of people who came today. So yeah, I mean,
How you are feeling your landing?
it's relaxed. So once you are in such kind of situation and when you enter in your country, then only you will feel that feeling. I'm a frequent traveler, but today I felt like this is the best feeling. I mean, because 2 days were very horrible.
How many days you went there?
I was there for 3
Madam, are you coming from? What's your good name? Where you are from?
Lekhya, I'm coming from Dubai. It's
What was the situation in Dubai, or what were difficulties you are
near our campus. Everything was fine, actually. Yeah.
What is the situation in Dubai? What you have seen in what?
On the first day, we've seen missiles coming, and then they were intercepting it. Later, we've seen nothing. Everything was fine.
Why you came in?
For safety, of course. So yeah, the situation isn't sure if it's gonna get worse or gonna get better. So we've come back. Yes.
Are you coming in only one, or you have come with your family?
No, single. I'm a student in BITS Dubai campus. Yeah.
Okay. How you are feeling after coming?
I'm feeling good, actually. Yeah. Thank you.
मैडम आप दुबई से आ रहे थे एक बार बोलिए आपका नाम व्हाट्स योर
Oh, I speak English.
ओके व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम
My name is Eileen.
मैडम हाउ यू आर फीलिंग
Yeah.
आफ्टर कमिंग इन Hyderabad in during in war situation how do you feel
I'm so excited to be home. I'm so happy to see my family when I get back home to Canada.
what was the situation in Dubai what you are seeing in war situation
So I was in Abu Dhabi for a couple of days, but fortunately we all pulled together. We figured out what we needed to do to be safe, and at one point we had, the interceptors coming at our hotel. We took the necessary steps, went downstairs, and we're safe. We came out of it, so happy to be home. Ciao.
सर इधर आइए। आप दुबई से आ रहे हैं? एक मिनट इधर आइए।
అబుదాబి
आपका नाम आप इधर से
నాగేశ్వరరావు అండి
सर
తెలుగే కదా అవును
सर आप उधर सिचुएशन कैसा है सर? आप क्या सिचुएशन?
సిచ్యువేషన్ ఓకేనండి అక్కడ బాగానే ఉంది అంటే బేసికల్గా ఓన్లీ నైట్ టైమ్సే జరుగుతుంది అక్కడ పగలు కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉంది సో నైట్ టైమ్స్ అయితే సిచ్యువేషన్ వరస్ట్గా ఉంది అబుదాబి అయితే బెటర్ ఉంది కానీ ఖతారు అటువైపు మాత్రం చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది
మీరు ఎన్ని రోజులు అవుతుంది వెళ్ళి?
4 రోజులు అయిందండి స్టక్ అయ్యి
ఓకే, దేని విషయంలో వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది అక్కడ?
నేనా యాక్చువల్లీ జస్ట్ ట్రాన్సిట్ కోసం అంతే నేను యూఎస్ నుంచి వస్తున్నాను నేను ఫ్లోరిడా నుంచి వస్తున్నాను ఫ్లోరిడా నుంచి అబుదాబిలో స్టాప్ పెట్టుకున్నాను కానీ అక్కడ 4 days స్టక్ అయిపోయాను కానీ బట్ అబుదాబి గవర్నమెంట్ హోటల్స్ కానీ అకామిడేషన్ చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు
సో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి మీరు సేఫ్ గా ల్యాండ్ అవడం కానీ?
ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ అండి
मैडम आप एक मिनट सर एक मिनट दूसरा फ्लाइट है हेलो मैडम एक्सक्यूज मी कम
Sorry, I'm just looking for my family.
मैडम दुबई मैम दुबई मैम అంటే दुबई दुबई से Abu Dhabi. Sir, tell me, what's your good name? Where are you coming from?
Oh, my name is Josie John. I'm a Keralite actually. So there was no flight to Kerala, so I had to come this way. So it is a little bit difficult situation there with a lot of noise around and the interceptions happening every now and then and big noise, especially in the morning, so that even sleep is not that great. So yeah, not ideal situation. Yeah.
For how many years you are staying in Abu Dhabi? What project you went for?
I had been there for the last 25 years now, so yeah, I've been working there. I'm a regular traveler actually, so actually this is the first time that we face such a situation. There had been very stable country, but now unfortunately this happened. Yeah.
How you are feeling during the war? You have safely landed in Hyderabad. What do you do?
That is great feel actually. I had been trying to go to Kerala. There was no flight. But today, luckily, Etihad arranged a flight for the stranded passengers, so I could get a seat. So thanks for that.
Expected that you are going to return back in Hyderabad.
No, this is quite unexpected sort of a travel for me. So I used to go back to Cochin in Kerala. That is where my home is. But this time I had to come over to Hyderabad. So I'll get a domestic flight, then go to Kerala, hopefully tomorrow morning. That's the plan. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
सर पता है एक सर सर एक मिनट 1 मिनट चाचा 1 मिनट
क्या है? मैं दुबई से आ रहा हूँ।
बोलिए सर आपका नाम
जी अनवर फैजुर रहमान।
सर उधर सिचुएशन कैसे है?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नॉर्मल है, बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, परेशानी की बात ही नहीं है कोई, इंशाल्लाह।
हेलो मैडम एक्सक्यूज मी सर व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम वेयर आर यू कमिंग
From Dubai right now, but originally from US.
What was the situation you faced in Dubai during this war going between Israel and Iraq? What are you going to say? What was the situation there?
Yeah, I think in general it's kind of normal, but you hear the sounds mostly from the defense system intercepting the missiles being fired, and we heard a couple of explosions where we were staying. But other than that, I think it's very normal. Everything is open. The airline and hotels are taking good care of people. So overall, it's pretty good situation.
For what purpose you went to Dubai and why you came back?
I was in transit from US. So I had a layover in Dubai, and then my connection was cancelled.
Sir, how are you feeling you come back to Hyderabad during the war between Iran and Israel? Are you expected to come back to Hyderabad?
Actually, I was originally going to go to Ahmedabad, but there were no flights going to Ahmedabad, so I took the flight to Hyderabad.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dubai.
Sir, what's your good name? Where you are coming from?
I'm coming from Dubai right now, and I'm from Guwahati. We got a flight to Hyderabad, so we flew to Hyderabad because we got a flight.
Sir, what is the situation in Dubai?
The bombings are going on, but they are intercepting on the above, and there is no harm in the local life of the people out there. Day-to-day life, there is no harm out there or no problem is there, but the bombings are going on.
What the facilities the Dubai government gave to the
No, they are not giving any facility. Only the persons who have booked the flight or their flights has been cancelled or the airlines have overbooked the flights, only for them they have the facility. Otherwise, there is no facility for the Dubai government. They are just, it's a internet gimmick or you can say social media gimmick. They don't give any facility out there.
Okay, for what purpose you went to the Dubai?
I went for a marriage and touring. So we finished our program on 28th. We had to come, but 28th morning that was closed. The air was closed. Airspace was closed.
We are feeling you return back to Hyderabad during the war between Israel and Iran. What are you going
No, it was very overwhelming, and that we have reached our country. That was the best thing. Anywhere in the country we would have gone. बोले कि कहाँ कोचीन जाओ, कहीं जाओ, we would have gone, and we have came here to Hyderabad. We'll be flying back to Guwahati tomorrow morning.
So, did you receive any help from the Indian embassy?
Indian embassy was helpful, but they didn't had anything to do because it was a normal life in Dubai. We were having crackers Diwali in the sky at the holy time, but they didn't had anything to do.
Okay. Your good name?
Rohit Devda.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Madam, what's your good name? Where you're from?
I'm Nidhi Devra. I'm from Guwahati, Assam. We were in Dubai, stuck from 28th. We had a flight to India on 28th, but we could not come because of the whatever was happening there. But inside the city, we were totally safe. हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, कोई खाने पीने की प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. हम अच्छे से घूम फिर रहे थे. मेंटल प्रेशर था, बट फिजिकली वी वर एकदम फिट एंड फाइन.
कितने साल से आप दुबई?
नहीं, हम तो घूमने गए हुए थे. हाँ हाँ.
कैसे लग रहा है मैडम आपने?
आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है अपने घर और परिवार वालों से सबसे मिलेंगे हम लोग.
आप दुबई से आ रहे हो? हाँ, बोलिए मैडम, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
माय नेम इज संगीता अग्रवाल. आई एम फ्रॉम असम. हम लोग वहाँ पे मैरिज अटेंड करने गए थे, फिर हम लोग का एक्सटेंडेड प्रोग्राम था घूमने के लिए. वी वे कमिंग बैक ऑन 28, लेकिन 28 को ही अटैक होने से हम लोगों को वहाँ रुकना पड़ा. लेकिन मतलब इतना अटैक और इतना मिसाइल्स के बाद भी जो गवर्नमेंट के वहाँ पे जो वो थे वहाँ पे, उसकी वजह से हम लोग को फियर नहीं हुआ. हम लोग के लिए पूरा प्रोटेक्शन था. टूरिस्ट को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. रिगार्डिंग फूड है, रिगार्डिंग स्टे है, सब कुछ हम लोग का एक्सटेंडेड किया. बट इट वॉज नॉट फ्री, वी हैड टू पे. लेकिन हम लोग को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. और अभी हम लोग का 2 दिन मतलब एयर स्पेस बंद किया गया था, लेकिन अब खोल दिया गया है. टूरिस्ट को उन लोग वहाँ से बाहर अपना होम टाउन भेज रहे हैं.
कैसा लग रहा है मैडम ये वॉर सिचुएशन में आपने इंडिया को, आपको होम टाउन को आ गए, आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं?
अपना होम टाउन में आके तो बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है. हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे थे इंडिया में और हम लोग वहाँ पे थे. बहुत टफ टाइम था, लेकिन हम लोग फिर भी बहुत अच्छे से निकल के अपने घर सेफली आ गए. सो थैंक्स टू गॉड, थैंक्स टू एवरीवन, विशेस एंड प्रेयर्स, एंड वी आर हैप्पी टुडे.
मैडम बोलिए मैडम, आपका नाम, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
हम अबू धाबी से आ रहे हैं.
कैसा लग रहा है मैडम एक और सिचुएशन में आपको?
वी आर हैप्पी कि हम आ गए हैं सेफली. दैट्स
कितने साल से आपने अबू धाबी में रह रहे हैं? किस वजह से?
2 दिन के लिए थे हम. अब शायद कभी नहीं जाऊंगी मैं.
What situation कैसे थे मैडम? क्या
नो, इट्स बैड. इट्स रियली बैड. मतलब
what situation you have faced?
मतलब we could hear the sound of bombs and the missile intercepts in the hotel room. So it's bad. But it's good that we safely arrived. Yeah. Thank you.
getting back from Dubai, and it feels very good to be back from India. To be,
Good name, when you gone to Dubai, for how many years you are staying? What purpose?
we live in India. We were in Dubai for a vacation. We were in Dubai for 4-5 days, and we got stuck there. And it feels amazing to be back in India.
What difficulties you have faced? What the situation you have?
The situation there is very normal. Everybody is very helpful there, and we were very comfortable. We had our friends there. We were living in their house, and we were very comfortable.
How you are feeling finally you have reached?
Very good. We are feeling very comfortable, very safe.
Thanks to Modi.
Thank you to Modi ji. Yes.